Okay, well, we're just going to document that we're home. Getting a little... You don't want to be in
I
here?
don't like being in stories.
He doesn't want to be in the stories.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Why don't you want to be in the
What kind of
stories?
story?
You want to be in the stories?
What kind of
They're
story?
documenting that we're home.
We are home and we're about to go over and like dig stuff up because it's our land.
Will you let me on the excavator?
You want to
No,
go on the
you don't wanna
excavator,
go on
but you
here.
don't want to be on stories?
I work better with equipment than I
You have a barrel that you have a destiny with.
Can't wait to show you.
No. You're gonna let go of it. No. Squeeze it, whatever you just did, do it again. You're gonna let go of it. There you go. All right. Swing it, try swinging it in. Keep going. Do it. There you go.
That looks like something you would do.
That's how it's done.
It's not fixing the problem.
It is. Keep doing it until it gets through.
That's horrible.
Yeah. That's a beast. Okay, now take that stick, nope, this one, nope, swing it over, there you go, you will, force it, pull your other stick back. Now your other side, push forward. It's gonna be tough. Yeah, we had to reposition just a little bit, but we got it this time. You ready to do it? Make it happen, babe. No, pull it back toward the whole rig. No, other way. Other one. Yep, towards you. There you go.
Oh my God, this feels so good.
All right, now let your bucket go.
Let go.
Uncurl your bucket.
I forgot.
Right stick out. Okay, and there goes the barrel.